Hi guys, it's Tom at Fabulous Furniture Company. So we're here again in the workshop, and for this video we're doing something a little bit different. We've decided to give the two apprentices, Liam and Travis, a apprentice challenge. So we've got loads of spare materials, scrap materials around the workshop, and we've given them the challenge of using those materials to design and build their very own piece of furniture. Now it can be anything they want. They have to decide what they're going to build, they have to design it, and then they have to actually put it into practice and build it. So we're going to film them throughout the day as they do the product and as they do the project, and then we're going to talk to them at the end of the video to see how they get on. If you like the video, please do like it and subscribe to the channel. It'll be a massive help, we'll really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you at the end of this video to see what they come up with. Okay, so we're here in the workshop with the apprentices Travis and Liam. They've just finished the Apprentice challenge. We set out this morning, we gave them a challenge to design and build any piece of furniture they could think of with some of the waste materials from the workshop. So you decided to build a industrial style shoe rack. So talk us through how you came up with it and how you decided to build it.
So basically it did start off as like a shoe rack, obviously.
Stop that. Okay, so we're here in the workshop with the apprentices Travis and Liam. They've started the day with the Apprentice challenge. So we set them a challenge to design and build any piece of furniture they could think of using waste materials from around the workshop. So it looks like you've come up with a shoe stand, an industrial style shoe rack. So talk us through why you decided to build a shoe rack and how you decided to build it with these technical drawings.
Right, we started off with the drawings, and then we covered the wood round the warehouse. Then we've got the scaffolding poles, measured it all to size. We went with 60 overall height because we thought it'd be better because it'd have a bit of a bench for someone to sit on.
So it's like a bench height?
Yeah.
Perfect, yeah, good.
And then we put the holes in the wood, got the scaffolding poles, cut all them to size, and then using the diagram and the measurements that we worked out, make sure everything was in place. And then use the grub screws to screw with the Allen keys in to make it all fit to size.
Good stuff. So it's the first project you've done solo. What did you find the most challenging about it?
Probably working out where to put all the holes to make sure that they're the same length apart, so they aren't any like out of line, so the scaffolding poles aren't going to be very wonky going in them or anything like that. So just that part, really making sure they was all aligned properly.
Good stuff. And you've done a really good job of it. But what would you, if you're going to do it again, what would you do differently next time?
Maybe use different parts to make it more stable at first.
Yeah.
And then try and work our way around it.
Yeah.
In that way afterwards to see once it's stable, work around it.
Good stuff. No, you've done a really good job, lads. So, because the lads have done it themselves and built it, the next part of their challenge is to try and sell it. So they're going to put it on the local stuff for sale sites, and whatever they can get for it, they get to split between them as a bit of a bonus for doing the project. So well done, lads.